Today I'm going to show you how to build an isometric box using a formula in Illustrator. Over here we have a multi-view drawing. The top, front, and right side are indicated by boxes. Depending on what your multi-view is, these may look different in size. These edges of a box should be the same from here to here, relating these two boxes together. And the height here should be the same as the width here. Now, I have marked them top, front, and right side. And our formula up here is for top, front, and right side. We want to group these words with the box, and you would do a Command G or a Mouse G. I'm going to go ahead and Command G these. Now they're grouped. You want to make sure the text box or the photo that you're inserting in here does not stick out beyond unless you are using a clipping mask. So we'll just do the box right now. Okay, now we'll select the top. We will go over and get our size tool and tear it off. You just click on the little arrow and you get a rotate. Click on the little arrow. Just let go on the little arrow. Okay, now we're going to double click this, select non-uniform, and vertical is 86.6. If you'll notice up here, vertical scale is 86.602. And then we'll say OK. And you want to preview here. Say OK. And you'll notice your box just got about 86% less in height. And then we're going to go to the shear tool, and what we're looking for here, double click, is 30% horizontal shear. So we'll click the horizontal button, 30%, and say OK. Alright, you see this is turning this way, and now we want to do a minus 30 rotate, and that is this tool here with the curved arrow in it. And we want, oh, it is minus 30. Okay, so we'll put a minus in front of that. Say OK. And there we go. It's falling in line with this top. That's what we want. We'll go around here, select our next front, double click this. We're going to be looking at the front instructions here, 86.6 on the vertical. Say OK. Next, we're going to go get our shear tool again. We're just working our way from these two and jumping over here, double clicking them. And now our shear tool this time has a minus in front of it, so we'll put a minus in there. And it's on the horizontal and it's marked appropriately here. And then the next thing we'll do is jump over to the rotation tool, and we do want a minus rotation on this front side, so we'll say OK. And there you can see these two are lining up. We have to move it over, and there you go. Okay, now we're going to work on this last tool here, our last box. And we'll double click on this, and our 86.602 is still set, so we'll use it again. Say OK. Then we're going to go here and use our horizontal, let's look here and see what, horizontal shear, but we don't want minus in front of it, so we'll take that minus out. Say OK. And then we'll go to the rotate tool, and the rotate is 30 degrees, not minus, and say OK. And there it pops into place. We'll get our arrow here and put it in place. And there you have an isometric box. Now, if you decide that you want to place a photo inside this, I will show you how to do a paste inside. First of all, you draw your box, and this would represent one side of the multi-view. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to get a photo, and I'll have to go pull a photo off of the there's one. Okay, we'll use this flower. Select all here and copy. Go back to our picture here, and it's really going to be big, so paste it in here, Command B. Okay, it's much too big, so I'm going to have to zoom out and size this thing to come close to fitting on the page. There we go. We'll just make it fit. I'll squish it a bit, but you'll get the idea of this. Okay, here's the picture. Okay, now we're going to have to send the picture to the back. The picture, when you're doing a paste inside, should always be on the back. So we'll go Object, Arrange, and Send to the back. And now you can see this box here. It has, I think it has white fill in it, so we want to make sure that white fill is gone, just a black line. Okay, now this is a path. Get rid of it there. There's the path on top of the picture. And we'll go to Object, Clipping Mask, and Make. Okay, section, oh, you have to have both of them selected, my mistake, sorry. And then we'll do Object, Clipping Mask, and Make. And there you go, the picture's inside the box. Then you can run it through your rotation and squeeze it and shear it and rotate it. And it rotates. Okay, that is how you'll make a package design. You will need to make sure that when you draw your package that the edges match one another like I showed you at first. Good luck with it, and call me if you need any help. Thanks. Bye.